some rock and roll down the street tonight.
If I was at this stage when I was 28 or 30, I don't think I'd be as involved. I mean, and there are some people more comfortable, some people who haven't started up or just become successful. I'm glad if I'm getting this time over and done with. I'm into this as a job. I really am, totally. And I want to make it work. And I find that the more work you put in every area, the more I find that
children waiting for the day they feel good. I feel good. Now I made the story. Wanna know me like a child should. Sit and listen. Sit and listen. I went to school. I'm so nervous. No one. They gonna teach you to tell me what's madness. Right through the head. Right through the cream. And I find it
I don't understand how people could idolise someone they've never met, or idolise someone full stop anyway, you know. And you cannot react on a one-to-one level with a lot of them, because if you went out and said hello, they can't treat you as anyone normal, which I find extremely strange and hard to cope with at times.